Here we are at McIvers cabin. No, I'm just kidding.
So we're on our way. This is my wife, Brittany. I promised her she wouldn't have to be on camera today.
And you lied.
And I lied. Are we married today?
I'm married.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
We are married today. I went through AM/PM in Mojave, and they were out of Red Bulls. All they had was sugar-free, nasty ones. So I'm slumming it with the Rockstar people today.
Gross.
Are you excited for this trip?
I guess.
Tell me a little bit about your husband. What do you think of him?
Well, I married him.
I'm a little concerned you couldn't come up with anything. So what do you think of your husband's Jeep addiction?
It's definitely a money pit.
Well, you heard it here first, folks. Definitely a money pit.
Please subscribe so we can pay the bills. So we can buy more Jeep parts.
I don't know if we're on the right trail or not. So we're supposed to be on SC65,
But it might be that one up there.
but the roads weren't very clear. Oh, this is it.
Okay.
Hang on to your butts.
Gonna be a bumpy ride. So why do you feel the need to drive so fast?
I feel the need for speed.
Oh no, my snacks.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Should I hit the brakes when you bend over? That would be funny.
Probably not.
Yeah, that's what the handle's for.
Yeah.
Yeah, you doing good?
Yeah.
Okay.
And, what would you say? What would you say would be your intro into off-roading?
I don't understand the question.
Okay. What would you say would be the moment that you got started in this hobby?
That is a very good question.
I know.
Yeah, so my first four-wheel drive vehicle was a 1990 Ford Ranger. And when we were looking at getting me my own personal vehicle when I was 16, scratch that, I think it was 17. I wanted a quad for my 16th birthday, that's what we got. But when I was first driving, I wanted a pickup truck, and we were looking at all kinds of pickups, and my dad's like, yeah, but you really need something that's four-wheel drive, and that's what we ended up with. And then I learned capabilities of a real four-wheel drive vehicle, and I've loved it ever since.
Do you have a most memorable moment on a trail or trip?
There's a lot of memorable moments, but I had a 1998 Ford Ranger four-wheel drive, and the road was really bumpy, sorry. And they had a vacuum locking hub system. And what would happen is if there was any little bit of moisture in the lines or any problem with the vacuum system, the front hubs would not lock. And I found this out the hard way in the snow and ran my truck into a ditch, and me and a buddy left the truck at 2 in the morning. Me and a buddy hiked 12 miles until we got picked up by somebody, was given a ride closer to town, and me and my dad had to go out there 2 days later and get the truck. And we're fighting it, and all of a sudden the four-wheel drive locked in, and all four tires started spinning, and it threw snow 30 foot in the air, and I was out of there lickety-split. And then went home, fixed anything that broke because of it, and sold it because I wasn't ever going to deal with that again.
Okay. So out of all the Out of all the vehicles you've owned, which one would you say was your favorite to take off-road?
I would say probably a push between this Wrangler and the Spooky Jeep.
Why?
They're so much more capable than anything I've had before. And I like that this is like a little something. What do you call them? One of those toys where you can take everything off and change them and put them all back together different ways. Anyway, the Wrangler's like a toy, and you can just change it however you want. But it's nice to be able to go off-roading and take the top down and things like that.
Okay.
And the Spooky Jeep is just so much more capable than anything I've ever driven off-road. But I have to say I do miss my 90 Ranger, because I feel like that thing, you put it in 4-low second gear and it would climb anything.
Do you think you ever make anybody car sick when they're watching your videos like this?
Absolutely. If I can make people car sick in the passenger seat, guaranteed I'll make them car sick watching videos like this.
Trigger warning.
No, but something that's really cool with GoPros is they have that shake fix or whatever, and it picks the smoothest frame and condenses the video just a little bit, and then makes it to where it's smooth, which is really cool. And then iMovie has the same thing. And I meant more like natural comments and questions and things that you would normally say to me while we were off-roading. Jesus, babe, slow down, stuff like that, you know.
You don't like my
Oh no, I'm
interviewing
actually
skills?
really enjoying it a lot.
I'm trying to make you have full content and not a bunch of stuff you have to cut out because I'm so uncomfortable with the camera. So you're welcome.
You are not very comfortable with the camera.
Pick up your trash. So I heard once that the Joshua trees are only found in 2 places. They're found at the gates of heaven and the gates of hell. So would you say that California is the gates of heaven or the gates of hell?
Both.